Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up, stream? You living the stream dream? You living the stream dream? Hmm. All right, let's go. Uh-oh. Directional gap. Directional imbalance down. Oh no. Man, I am just haven't got my groove lately, you know what I mean? You ever traded and you just feel like you're not grooving? So what's the idea of this trade is to just try to get in with as little risk as possible before the market opens here, hoping that this is the pre-market inflection point to push up. There's very little risk. So it's low probability, sure, but it's a way to trade so that you control your risk. So this is not a great area to trade. You're inside this big range. You have drawn liquidity lower, while also you have upside momentum. I'm favoring the long still here. So we'll be taking a pre-market long here if I can get it. We'll have to see. We'll have to be really careful. Short signal, short signal, short signal, short signal. Here we go, pulling back to the 20. Already broke through 50% here. Tagging this trend line. Let's try it. We'll try this trend line with that wick. Don't want to be in it if it takes this candle out. Okay, no problem. No worries there. Just see something here. Okay. Nice momentum. Looks like we're going to take out the I'm going to chase this a bit because I think we're going all the way down here. This is nice pre-market momentum. We're on a downside model. Breaking a trend line. I'll add one at a 50% retracement. Dude, I can nail $50 all day with a micro. And I just struggle to take that amount of profit off the table. If I hadn't got liquidated on my other practice account here for the daily limit, my stop was actually up here, and I would be in the money right now. But it's all good. All good in the hood. Took $70 off there. Come on, you got to take $70. 50% retrace right into the moving average here. Going short again. You already know. As soon as I get the signal. Wick. Wick. No. Where is it? Poor execution. Show me. Show me my trade, fool. No positions. Huh. Canceled. Okay, well, looks as of now like that might have been a good trade short from here. We're going here. Annoying. Freaking platform errors, bro. Get, Tina. Go to your home, Tina. No. Tina. Tina. Tina, you better behave. No. Well, how do we feel about that? Better be careful. Tina ain't messing around right now. Tina will rip your face right now. Why long? This is a reversal, bro. This should have dipped quick. Oh my God, one tick? You gotta be fucking shitting me. Jeez, fuck. Pardon my French. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Lord Jesus, forgive me. Please. Just, sometimes it just will make you go crazy. The stock market gonna make you go crazy. Close my position, you freaking dude. This platform here, bro. I have to log in on a different platform. Stock market gonna make you go crazy. Oh my gosh, look at it. The stock market gonna make you go crazy. Total P&L $7. Look at this ripper. P&L $7. Is the stock market gonna make you go crazy? Will it? Will it? Will it? 50%. Almost perfectly. It's gotta be a little bit patient here, buddy, old pal. Stock market gonna make you go crazy. Get. Downward sloping moving average. Manipulation. Pull down. Short trigger. I'm short. What more can I do in life? Target below. Only thing I can do now is not go break even and get stopped out too early. I accept the fate in the stock market will not make me go crazy. That's a long trigger. It's a long trigger. Close it. Oh, one tick in my favor this time. In my favor? Go in my favor. You didn't go in my favor the first time, and now you want to not go in my favor the second time? Short trigger again. Nonsense. Buy limit. Puke. All right, we're getting chopped up here. It's serious. It's serious. What is the trigger and how to trade it with enough room to not get chopped up? Get. Why so many? What is this? Oh, thank you. Down, down, down you go. Highest volume of the day. Gigantic downward candle. Momentum should shove this on down here. At least take that. Puke. It should rip all the way down through. I'll let this little bitty wick here protect me. Okay. Well, I needed that to recover some of the stupid losses earlier. Down $33 on the day. All right. Question is, inducement long here? If we are back above this moving average, it's going to get real interesting. Testing 50% here. Tempting. You would think that you can get long here, but I would be very careful. Very careful. Full of care. So much care. Stock market gonna make you go crazy. Inside down. Inside down. Inside down close. Inside down close. That's a short signal. That's a short signal. Oh my gosh, that's a short signal. What are you gonna do? That's a short signal. Can't touch it. What are you gonna do? That was a short signal right here. All right, here we go. Seek and destroy. Consolidation. Down, up, down, up, down. Not quite up. Big reversal candle here. Big reversal candle there. 50% of the move there. I'm going long. I'm going long. We got big volume. We got big reversal. We got a moving average going down. We got Chop City. We're in Chop City here. Ooh, so tempting. Almost clicked long. Didn't quite feel it. This is a big reversal candle here. Is this our chance? 50% of this leg. Give me the pullback. Give me the pullback. Give me the taste. Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger. Gotta be careful. Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger. Terrible fill. Horrible fill. Worst fill I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh, this platform is terrible. Apex, you're killing me. Get. Hey, where are you going? You going the wrong way. Get. Get. All right, a break even. Let's see here. Puke. Puke, damn you. Thank you. Well, I winded up catching the move that I wanted the whole time, which was this level. What if I could only trade? What if I could only trade on a 15-minute chart? 15-second chart. Let's go 15-minute chart. Fifteen-minute chart here. You got a wick. I can't even look at that. What am I looking at here? Give me my 15-second chart and stop messing around. I mean, starting to look good, right? The longs? Wrong. Bear flag. Short signal. Low of yesterday or middle of yesterday or something of yesterday. Actually, that's just the low of the previous hour. Take that off of there. Boom. Nice reaction here. Nice reaction here. I like a long. I like going long. I'm feeling it. Stock market going to make it go crazy. Pushed up to these trend lines here, huh? On the daily? 4 hour, 15-minute. Inside up on the 15-minute. Nice volume coming in here, boys and girls. Are we going to get a pullback? Is there time? Is there time enough in a day? Inverted fair value gap right here. Inverted fair value gap right here. Boom. Not enough time in a day. Pull. All right. All right. What are we doing? That's big volume. Pushing up. Are we going to hit this moving average and pull back one more time? Or are we going to the moon right now? What is the rest of the market doing? Everything looks red. Costco and Timus aren't red. Everything has a reddish vibe to it. Moving average. Already hit the objective lower. Time enough in the day for a pullback here. We're going to test it. We're going to test this momentum here. We're going to test it, ladies and gentlemen. Trump's about to make a tweet. Son of a goat. Son of a gigantic, very large goat. Cliffhanger again? That's a short signal. Just obey, just like, it's not that hard, right? Like short signal, moving average, market's down, session's down, all of everything is, we took the liquidity. That's the problem. You know, sometimes you have multiple problems. All right, so far so good. Give myself a little room. Jeez, oh my God, look at that. Well, you really got to wonder. Pushing up, not selling off on that much volume. I think this is about to break. This moving average is going to break here. Yeah. Give myself a little room. High day. It's the pre-market swing high there. Just go. Just get. Didn't break the way I wanted it to. It really didn't. Should have went break even because I was playing for the momentum up there. And once the momentum died, I should have just been out. Tricky right here. 10 minutes for the new hour. Bless you. Doesn't want to sell off. It's grinding up here. Give it some room, dude. The stock market's gonna make you go crazy. Stock market gonna make you go crazy? You see what I'm saying? Are you impressed yet? I mean, it takes real skill to lose that consistently. Stop hunt here. Major. 50% of the level. Going for the high of the day still. This moving average is going to break and the momentum is going to spike. Here we go. Show them how it's done. Freaking a little bit wild here. Getting a little wild here. Five-second chart. Not making any higher highs. Higher highs. 1, 2, 3. Pivot machine gun up this way. Super manipulation. Gotta be patient. You know, I'm in $50 worth of profit all day long. You just gotta be patient with it. Okay. That's not that fun. Not gonna lie. Not super fun. We're not having a whole super lot of fun right now. What is the objective here? There is literally no edge for me. I'm trading without an edge because I'm learning about stuff currently. Look at that. Very interesting. Here. Looks like a bear flag. Wait for a trigger. Short trigger here. Very nice. Break of this is a short trigger. Gotta be patient. Not the trigger I'm waiting for. Go. Pushing up. 50% is here. Need some more data here, bro. Long trigger inside of this imbalance thingy. Nice pivot machine gun to the upside. Discounted price, you know. Just gotta be patient. So back in the money. Break even. Beautiful. That was just beautiful. Saved my money right in the last minute. This is just ridiculous right here. Stock market gonna make you go crazy. Wifey. Hold on. Hmm. All right. Slow down. You're just having too much fun. Spike that. Big wick. Be careful. Let's get in on the other side of the V here. No need to catch a fallen knife. Initial imbalance was here. Inside up on the 1 minute for me. Inside up on the 15-second here. Not enough of a reversal for me. All right, I'm resetting mentally. Having a little too much fun with all this. What a strange, beautiful pattern, huh? Yeah, we could be getting ready to fail pretty hard here. There we go. I'll jump in that. That looks snazzy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Seriously. Seriously. Holy moly, dude. This volatility is freaking bonkers, bro. One hour, okay. Closing them. That was so dumb. I forgot. I need to just start marking the new hour. I should have known we were bearish. New hour puts in the wick, manipulation, distribution. Um, Little bit of an amateur move there. Think I might have to call it here in a hot second. It's a nice looking candle right there. This volatility, bro. Smart short is right here. It closes as a short trigger. Do I hear myself talk? It's like so contrarian. This market's so unpredictable. It's like just on principle, based off what we've seen, I want to see it just reverse on everyone like disgusting. However, clearly this is a short trade right here. Pull back in a downtrend with the short trigger. Um, I'm gonna call it. I'm being like super stubborn right now and just kind of honestly a little goofy. Not in the right state of mind to manage risk. Um, it's kind of like gallows humor a little bit. I'm having such a hard time trading. A little bit of way to deal with it is just like kind of make light of it. You got to survive somehow. Um, and if it's not fun, why are you doing it? Honestly, like literally, why am I doing this if I don't have fun doing it while I'm doing it? Well, is it actually intrinsically fun? I mean, there's some things I love about it, but that doesn't make it fun. Tight channel here. This is promising. It was promising. This violates the tight channels that I like to see. We'll just have to see. I don't want it to violate this. This imbalance here should hold if we're going up. Essentially trying to pick the low of the day by having my stop all the way up there. 300 points, 250 points. That's not that much. It's only $500 with one micro. No big deal. Um, where's Trump when you need him, right? We'll see. Here I am again, 70 something dollars in profit, $90 in profit. I mean, I really genuinely am tempted to just go cook and let this trade play out however it's meant to play out. I don't know what to do, dude. I'm so sick of giving back profits, man. $100, $100 in the money. You know, I just being honest, dude. I have no system right now because the system I was trying to use essentially broke, and I more or less abandoned it. And not exactly sure what I'm doing, honestly. Oh my God, look at this. Insane. It's just truly insane. Stop taking losses after you're up so much. I mean, that's the least you can do. 9:09. I'm done at 9:15 regardless. Life is beautiful and I gotta go live it. Here we go again. Can you believe this? It's ridiculous. Oh my God, that is just ridiculous. Big wick, shooter, pull back, 50% of this. Not a nice short signal right there. This is, honestly, it's so hard to admit it's basically gambling. Because, yes, I have a hunch. I've been watching the markets for a long time, but I'm outside of a system right now. I'm very close to blowing this account. 400 bucks. All right, I'm done. I'm done. What to do? Shit, I got stuck on the 5 second chart again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Hmm. Inside up close, 5 minute chart. That's a long signal. Took liquidity. 1 minute is still looking pretty freaking bearish. Nice impulse from here last time. No buying left to sustain the move. Inside up close. Break of the inside up close. Rejected, rejected, rejected. Daily loss line. Daily loss limit set to 400. All right, all good. I'm done. Thank you so much. Stock market going to make you go crazy.